Hello world, this is Chris with Elevations doing another unboxing today. This is a new set of chargers I decided to invest in with the new Qualcomm 3 charging capacity. So these are going to be 15 watts a piece, and I will put the affiliate link in the description down below. So let's go ahead and unbox this and see what it is. The nice part about this particular brick is it does have that super fast charging capability. I will note that it is the X001 Fox Alpha Juliet 01 Fox. So that is the 18 watt, I believe I said 15, so 18 watt Qualcomm 3 charger. So that's a 3-pack. And again, the nice part about this Qualcomm 3 is you do have that higher speed fast charging capability. And we are going to be making use of all of that in terms of all of the USB equipment that we have, as well as using that for the new Gen 2 brain systems for the VexIQ systems. Let's open up one of the three here. So that is the brick. Very, very simple setup. Also note it does actually have the qualification data on the Amazon link that you can see. That's one thing that's very beneficial. A lot of times people will advertise just quick charge 3 or just like fast charge 3. It's not quite the same as a proper Qualcomm 3 certified charger, so that will give you that fast charge. And again, that 18 watt is definitely going to be a very nice fast charge system. So essentially in this package we do have 3 of these units. There are units available that say fast charge, but these are actually certified as a quick charge, and again, it is 15 watt. Sometimes you'll see online listed 15, 18, 20-something watt being split between multiple different USB ports. So you don't get the full 18 watt per port itself. It's actually then split. So if you have, say, a 30 watt and it's 3 USB plugs, then it's only 10 watt a piece, so you'll have a little bit slower of the output, so a slower charge. So this just has that capability of having the 18 watt directly off of a single USB output there. So again, it notes here the output of 3.6 to 6 volt, 3 amp. It does have the 6 to 9 volt, 2 amp, and 9 to 12 volt, 1.5 amps. So the higher the voltage, the lower the amperage. And you can do the input of 100 through 240 volt. So that certainly gives you that versatility off of a single brick. And again, these weren't very expensive. So the other ones, essentially it's really the exact same thing, just 3 times over for the money. It's just nice to have multiple, especially since it does only have that single high output USB. Did look at the ability to have multiple USB ports on a same brick. However, as easy as it is just to have more power outlets and be able to have that higher wattage off of that single certified Qualcomm 3 certainly makes quite a bit of difference. So again, this is the FONKEN USB charger. I will put these links in the description down below. This is going to be a great advancement for our systems, with all the systems converting over to the Qualcomm 3 fast charging capability, and with the ability to use that lithium battery with the VexIQ systems off the Gen 2 system that is still compatible with Gen 1 brains. That's certainly going to be a leg up versus the old nickel metal hydride batteries that Gen 1 came with. So again, my name is Chris with Elevations. I hope you learned something. Please like and subscribe below. Thank you for watching.